Is there a right way to make a slip knot? I think so. Whether you knit or crochet, this slip knot hack is really simple and it's a great way to get a project off on the right track. No matter how you make a slip knot, the important element is which end of yarn you pull through the loop to place on your hook or needle. I make slip knots by wrapping the tail end of the yarn over my left thumb in a clockwise, so away from my body, motion. I pinch the point at which the yarns cross over and pull the working yarn, which is attached to the yarn cake, up through the loop, and then I pull it through to tighten the knot. This means the slip knot is tensioned by the working yarn and can't be pulled tighter or smaller when the next chain or cast on stitch is made. If you use the tail end instead, the slip knot can be pulled so tight that it disappears. For crochet, this could lead to a decreased stitch count of 1, which will affect your row or count numbers. For knitters, this can lead to a slight puckering at the round join. So, in the most simple terms for this hack, let the working yarn do the work. If you keep on remembering that, let the working yarn do the work, then you will always be starting your slip knots, your cast on and your starting chains in the best possible way.